The introduction for this video must have made it clear that video will be on how to install the hazard flasher unit on the TVS Apache RTR 200. So let's begin with the installation. To begin with, we have to remove both the screws marked with yellow circle. This is the first one. And here goes the second one. Just below the headlight assembly are the two bolts which holds the entire assembly. We don't have to remove them, we have to just loose them. And this applies to both the bolts. Just loose them by few turns and leave. Now we can tilt the headlight assembly forward to get access to the wiring. I think this is the right time to explain the connections. So these two are our present indicator connections. We just have to disconnect them and add the Simtac flasher unit in between. One additional connection at the top is to turn on or off the flasher unit and to change the flashing patterns. So here we have the cables and connectors. This is the first one with 2 wires. And this is the second one with 3 wires. Now it's time to bring the Simtac flasher unit in between. Just make both the connections on the wiring side. And then complete the 2 connections on the indicator side. One cannot really go wrong here, as you cannot make cross connections with these 2 connectors. Finally, the only black connector from the flasher unit goes to the switch. One last job is to remove the stock flasher unit which sits on the right side of the battery. There is a detailed video on how to remove the battery side panel, and I will leave that link in the description. As we already have a flasher unit, we just have to jump it with the jumper provided with the Simtac flasher unit. I'm yet to finalize the space for the switch, but after testing it for a week, I'm convinced with the mirror base, as I found it to be really ergonomic to operate the switch and pattern control. The Simtac flasher units are compatible with both LED and halogen indicators and are available for a wide range of motorcycles. We get about 21 patterns, and do comment down if you want a short video with just the patterns. This was not a paid promotion, so Simtac is providing us with coupon codes for all the subscribers of this channel, where you get an additional 250 rupees off on the purchase of any flasher unit from their website.